Having a 360 camera like the Insta360 X3 is a lot of fun. You can literally take shots of everything happening around you in just one take. However, when using these kinds of camera, there is one glaring downside. You will need to edit your footage before it can be used for social media posting or enjoy watching it as a normal single-view video. The process of editing or reframing takes time and effort. Lack of time and patience in reframing these footages is probably the #1 reason why there are so many people who are selling their Insta360 cameras. If you are one of those who are thinking of selling their Insta360 X3 because of this reason, hold your horses for now. Watch this video first before you decide, since in this one, I'll be showing you a way to reframe your 360-degree videos without doing any effort at all. Just do some few taps in the Insta360 app and you're done. Before we proceed, make sure that you have installed the Insta360 application to your phone, since that is what we'll be using to automatically reframe your 360 footages. Then make sure that your Insta360 X3 is updated to the latest firmware. I will pop up in the screen my video teaching you how to manually update the firmware of your X3, in case you don't know that yet. The auto edit feature that we are going to use here is a new feature that I think is only available starting on version 1.0.80. So an updated firmware is important. Lastly, make sure that your phone is paired and connected to your Insta360 X3. We are editing the videos from the X3 directly to the phone app, which is more convenient. So your phone and X3 needs to be connected through the X3 private Wi-Fi network. If you don't know how to do these things yet, I recommend watching my other video, which you can find the link in the video description, and I'll also pop up in the screen now. The video is entitled Insta360 X3 Review and Ultimate User Guide. You can learn all the basic things that you need to know about Insta360 X3 from that video, from the unboxing, parts, functions, operations, important accessories, up to basic editing. Check the video out. Alright. I recently visited a mall here in my city which is a smaller replica of the Grand Canal in Venice. Obviously, it is a nice place to shoot 360 videos, and I did shot a bunch of them. I already edited some, which I used in the previous videos of the channel, but there's still a lot that I haven't reframed yet. So I am going to let the app edit them for me. Just go to the Stories tab below. From here you have options for Shot Lab, which I'll create a separate video of. You can also create a video manually here with a video editor interface. But that's still manual labor. What we want to use here is the auto edit, which is a fully automated editing enabled by the AI of the Insta360 app. Let's tap that. Now, just select the videos that you want to include in the automatic editing. You can select up to a maximum of 11 videos here. When you select a 12th video, you will get this error message. Then just tap the next button. The app will now analyze all the videos you've selected. With the power of AI, it will pick out some highlights in each of them and then stitch the highlights into one awesome video. Well, you just lay back and wait. These 11 videos, with a total of more than 15 minutes footage, took about 15 minutes as well to analyze. Once done, the app will give you 3 choices for the length of the video that you want to generate. It's either a fast, balanced or slow rhythm. I'll choose the balance for this example. It will now load the AI-generated video project. Alright. It's all loaded. First thing you can tweak here is the video ratio. By tapping this small white square here at the right side of the playtime, you can switch between the different video size ratios. Either 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9. I'll choose 16:9 here since we are doing a YouTube video. When you go down a bit, you will see the templates here. First line are just the groupings of the template. Then below that, the ones with the pictures are the template themselves. Just swipe left or right to choose, then tap the box that you want to select. Each template has its own style, texts and music. You cannot change the video format and texts within it, but for the music, you can select that manually. Below the picture boxes are the list of available music. Swipe left or right as well to choose, and tap to select a music. Then at the bottom, you will notice that there are 2 tabs. We are currently in the template tab. When we go to edit tab, this will give you an option to rearrange the sequence of the video. Just long tap an item, then hold and drag it to a position that you want. Once you're good with everything, you can tap the export button above. Then choose if you want to export it to your phone's storage or create a story. Create story will take you to the video editor UI, so let's choose phone album here and the video will be generated. It is also good to mention that everything here is saved. In case you want to go back to this AI edited video project, you just need to go to the Stories tab again. Then below the auto edit option, you will see drafts. Going inside that, you will see the projects that you created before. It is named after the date of the project. Just tap on the project that you want to re-edit and it will take you to the video editor UI of the Insta360 app. I would probably not re-edit anything here, but it's nice to know that you have that option. And here is the exported video that we created. Aside from the timing of the music background, I think this AI edited video looks great. Like I said, just a few taps for selecting the videos that you want to compile, choosing a video size ratio, a template, and a music, and that's it. We've already generated an awesome video. So what do you think? Has the auto edit feature of the Insta360 app have changed your mind on selling your Insta360 X3 out? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. No but air.